analogous organs is one of the best evidences for evolution. These analogous organs can also be called as convergent evolution. Why would we say that? You say that because each of them have different origin points. So, different origin, but they all converge to have the same function. So, since they are converging to the same function, we call it as convergent evolution. We are going to look into few examples here. The first one is eye of an octopus and eye of a mammal. Both are meant for seeing. So, sight is the main function. But origin, if you see, eye of octopus is from skin, whereas eye of mammal is from the neuron. Similarly, fins of dogfish, the name itself is signifying fins in the second example, and the other part we are seeing is flippers of dolphins. Both are meant for swimming, but if you are looking, one is a tetrapod here, it is a limb form which is being modified, whereas fins are not tetrapods. Third example, sweet potato and potato, both are meant for storage. But if you see, sweet potato is a root modification, whereas potato is a shoot modification where the stem is meant for storage. Example 4, we can see it with picture here, butterfly. Butterflies help in flying with the help of wings, which is made up of integument. Whereas you can see this as a bird's wing, this is a bat wing, both are formed with 4 limbs. So, you can see these are various examples which you can see where different origins are there but same function, hence it is convergent evolution.